Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials and taking the first actionable steps now. Open the app, sign in or create a lightweight account, then grant microphone and camera permissions so live translation works. Next, select your source language and the target language, and download any offline language packs to avoid stalls when roaming. Once done, run a quick mic test and speak a simple phrase to verify recognition. Make sure the app shows the correct languages before you proceed. Now you move into the detailed execution. Configure the app for your use case. Switch to conversation mode for real-time two-way speech, or use camera mode to scan signs and menus. Text mode handles typed input. Once switched, adjust speech rate and tone for natural output, and enable punctuation recognition for clearer sentences. Make sure you save common phrases into a phrasebook, and sync dictionaries to the cloud if you want seamless access across devices, so you save time later. Finish by validating complete workflows and preparing for problems that might arise. Run a live conversation, translate a photograph menu, and paste a paragraph to ensure consistency across modes. Once done, enable cloud backup and automatic updates so language packs stay current, and link your account to multiple devices if needed. If you encounter misrecognition or crashes, clear the app cache, toggle permissions, or reinstall. And as a key troubleshooting tip, restart your device before deeper fixes. It often resolves transient audio or permission faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.